Children's clothing white background picture. For shooting, the styling rack can be hung with transparent fishing line. The middle expansion rod, which can be easily adjusted in width. Without the arm pole, short-sleeved clothes can be shot. With the arm extension rod, can adjust the length of the arm. Install the arm spring elbow to bend the arm for creative styling. Install the lower hanger extension rod, can adjust the length of the hanger. Install the extended telescopic rod. Bend the waist spring tube, it can shoot children's dresses. Insert this slightly open foam tube. Insert it into the top of the shoulder elbow, the open part, and fix it with the free tie tape. Put a shorter foam tube on the arm rod. The end can be covered with this foam ring. To fix the cuffs, at the end of the arm rod, can be fixed with screws and washers to prevent the foam tube from slipping. It's convenient to adjust the length of the sleeves. This fully open foam tube, insert it into both sides of the hanger. Install a short foam tube at the hem. In the same way, fix the foam tube with screws and washers. Foam tube can be adjusted in length with the telescopic rod. You can also use a tie-down strap or string to tie the styling hanger on a traditional hanger. Take photos of the hanger with the hanger. When tying the hanger, select a foam tube of appropriate length and put it on your arm.